Essay on Human. The human body is a complicated system of cells, most of which are grouped into organ systems that work together to perform a specific function. All the systems in the human body are fundamental for survival and well-being. There are 11 organ systems that are essential for the human body in order to survive, which are the integumentary, muscular, skeletal, nervous, circulatory, respiratory, endocrine, urinary or renal, reproductive, immune and digestive systems. They work in unison to keep the body alive. The nervous system is responsible for the control of the body and communication among its parts. The endocrine system, which secretes a variety of hormones produced in the body that manages the activity of cells' organs. These two systems collaborate with each other since they both take part in controlling the body. Both use chemicals to send their messages, but the chemicals differ in use. The endocrine system uses chemical called hormones, which are carried to specific organs through the bloodstreams, whereas the nervous system uses a chemical called neurotransmitters to send messages by being released into a synapse, which then travels a short distance to the postsynaptic membrane. Both of them work with all the systems by controlling their actions. It maneuvers the muscles of the muscular system and controls all motor movements. The endocrine shapes the bones of the skeletal system and helping keeping it strong, and also produces hormones for the reproduction system to mature. The nervous system helps the circulation, following the regulation functions such as the pumping of the heart. The nervous system also monitors the respiratory volume and blood gas levels.
The nervous system also interacts with the digestive system by controlling the eating and drinking behavior, as well as regulating the speed at which the food moves through the digestive tract. The endocrine and nervous system are like the control centers of the body. The respiratory system also interacts with the other system. This system works with the circulatory system to make sure that oxygen-rich blood will flow throughout the body while removing carbon dioxide. The immune system and the circulatory systems are two systems that also connects with each other. The circulatory system provides us life fluid, while the immune system protects that fluid and the rest of the body. The digestive and excretory supports the body with the intake of food. The digestive system is responsible for the breakdown of food into small molecules that are absorbed in the body, whereas the excretory system filters out the wastes. The digestive system compensates the circulatory system through supplying blood with nutrients. It also kills bacteria, which benefits both respiratory and immune system.
The skeletal and muscular systems are the systems that provide support for the body. The skeletal system supports and protects the body while giving it shape and form, while the muscular system develops force for the movement of the bones. The skeletal systems also holds all of the systems together, and the muscular system helps the nervous system by giving it control of almost the whole body. The respiratory system is also helped by the muscle systems by inhaling and exhaling through the movement of muscles. The integumentary system is the body's first line of defense against infection. The integumentary system also helps the immune system by keeping out various bacteria, and it also sustains the nervous system by maintaining body temperature through sweating, which also helps the excretory system. The reproductive system helps in the process of human reproduction. The system produces male and female sex cells, and to ensure growth and development of an offspring. The system also sustains the endocrine system by distributing hormones. It also helps the excretory system by eliminating the wastes.
There's no organ system that is most essential, for the reason that all organ systems in the human body are essential for survival and well-being. Each system has different functions, but one system wouldn't function without the other. These body systems are interconnected and dependent upon one another to function, and if one of the organ systems fails to carry out its function properly, hence all the other organ systems will be affected, a domino effect will occur. Like for example, if one of the organs in the respiratory systems fails to carry out its function properly, the air that is breathed cannot go to the lungs and the transferring of oxygen in the blood will be affected. If this happens, a person will most likely have a difficulty in breathing, which may lead to other complications or even death. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.